Okay guys, so I am going to do a Divine Masculine check-in. No, it is not storming here, but I do have a sound healing going with some thunderstorm sounds in the back. There's a lot of noise going on next door, so I felt this would drown it out, and I love the sound of thunder and rain hitting the ground, so I hope you guys enjoy it. I know it's kind of loud, but okay, so I wasn't really sure where I wanted to, I'm not feeling like too certain about where I want to go with today's read. I mean, I'm going to do Divine Masculine check-in, but my mind feels kind of blank, to be honest, right now. It's like the Pisces full moon just kind of wiped out everything. It's like a brand new year today or something. Alright, so I'm going to start off with this Unicorn Tarot and get some overall message for where is this Divine Masculine at and where is this journey at. Okay? So, let's see what is happening here. Oh no. Alright, we have got Seven of Swords. So this Divine Masculine, this is weird, I have it at a different angle, so it's going to slant it. This Divine Masculine is engaging in some deceptive behavior. He could be self-sabotaging, he could be lying to himself or lying to someone in a situation. But we definitely need some more information about that to see what that is about, okay? Just a weird angle, a different angle that I had this up today. Alright, so what is the Seven of Swords about? It's like he's trying to get away with something that he's not going to be able to get away with. Well, the World card for me is like a cycle is complete, but I also feel like it's usually a karmic cycle. So it's like, there's a few things here. It could be that in the past he was engaged in a lot of Seven of Swords behavior, and now he's trying to put an end to this behavior, okay? It's some karma that he's experienced. He's starting to have realizations about the destructiveness of his Seven of Swords behavior, okay? Let's see what else got here. We've got some Capricorn energy going on with that. And we've got Six of Swords. Yeah, he's trying to move in a healthier direction, recover from maybe that energy that he had in the past. He is trying to move forward. I'm going to use another tarot deck because I want to get more clarity on me. So tell me more about the Seven of Swords energy. Oh, I'm using the Twin Flame Journey Tarot for Mystic Moon. King of Swords, this literally just wanted to pop up. Quick-wit and intelligent. Could be dealing with the Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. More Swords energy. So far, it's all mental energy here going on. The masculine's very much in his head. He's very much trying to... I feel, though, this is him thinking he was, like, too smart to be found out. He was kind of almost arrogant and, like, egotistical about his behavior in the past. This came up last night, Capricorn energy. I meant to say Capricorn in the reading last night, and I said nurturing, but because it says nurturing. But, two Capricorn energies. So, you could be a Capricorn, or it could be a Virgo or Taurus, but I see Queen of Pentacles as more Capricorn. Let's see what other energies I got here. What is this Capricorn here? Activation, the Fool. Aries energy. Little card. Divine partnership. I feel this masculine thought he knew it all. He thought he had all the answers, but this divine counterpart, this feminine, really made him realize how foolish he was being. She activated some obviously like enlightenment and awakening in him, okay? I just heard the song, I don't know why. The Glory of Love. I am the man who will fight for your honor. I'll be the like something within her makes him want to be a better man, okay? Yeah, Queen of Cups now. We've got Queen of Pentacles and Queen of Cups, two very nurturing feminines. I feel like it's very important for you guys to stay in that energy. Don't be in a Queen of Swords. Queen of Wands is okay, but it's not as necessary of an energy right now. I think he's softening because of the feminine's wiles here, her ability to soften his heart, okay? I'm going to pull from the depths of the sea for Mystic Moon and get some more clarity on this. So we got Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. Dream lover, where are you? Yeah, we've got a connection. We've got a divine partnership. I feel that Pisces full moon really opened his heart to want to have more love, more nurturing, more intimacy, more honest, open connection than he had in the past with that Seven of Swords energy. Yeah, hidden emotions, H2O, more water energy. I think with the Seven of Swords, he was hiding his emotions from the feminine here. Got social media, this came up last night. He's been looking at things with the feminine. He's getting inspired by things that she's posting in some way. They're making him think, okay? He's still keeping an eye on her in social media because they're not in communication right now. So the less communication there is, the more curious he gets, the more he's looking her up on social media. Okay, I'm going to use for my love games. Let's go love game. What other energies are going on in this connection? Divine intervention. There's things happening. I feel like that's what that World card was about. The karmic energy. There's something that's going to happen regardless of whether you guys feel confident it will or not, and it's going to change the game, and it's going to either make him feel like a fool or make him want to take chances here, okay? Something from the past is going to pop up for the masculine. It could even be like an old flame, an old love. If he's hibernating, you have hibernating and estrangement. So he's very like, Harriet from Lighthouse Tarot was talking about how he's just like spying and peeking, and she's like, he's like a little detective over there. It's like he's being very quiet. It's almost like a high priestess energy, but he's paying attention. He's watching. He's gaining information, okay? He's collecting information, okay? So let's see what else I want to do here. Divine Feminine, what should you do? Okay, I haven't used my deck in a while. What's some tips on what the Divine Feminine could be doing right now? Get out of the house. Okay, so you guys, we have hibernating here, and then we have get out of the house. So you guys might be hibernating as well. If you need a switch up of environment, because you might be getting too much in your head here, okay? You need to switch your energy around. You need to get some new energy going on, because you might be spiraling right now, because that social media can also be you guys looking. Remember, it's always a mirroring thing going on here. Got Pisces energy. We just had the Pisces full moon. So, I don't know, I'm getting like maybe journal or write things that came up yesterday. Thoughts, feelings, things you need to work through. Kundalini yoga for your sacral chakra. Okay. So, some sacral chakra here. Sexual healing. Put yourself first. I just did a post on my Instagram, Sister Moon Tarot, if you guys want to look me up. It's all about that, okay? Making no apologies for doing that either. putting what you feel is important to you first, okay? Pay attention to the last song we heard. That could be even the song I was just singing, Sexual Healing, okay? Alright, let's get some final messages from the masculine. I'm going to use this deck from Angelic Revelation, Twin Flames and Soulmate, Shadow, Soul, Truth, and Desire messages, and see what the masculine wants to say to the feminine. I hope you guys are enjoying my my storm weather song and the music in the back. It's very intense, but it's drowning out the other noises next door. So, what does the masculine want to communicate? I've been trying to bury the pain with unhealthy addictions. I had hidden emotions. Well, there you go, okay? So the masculine is burying the pain of this connection. He's engaging in unhealthy stuff. I need time alone to heal my wounds. Look at that. We have hibernating. And he's trying to heal in the best way he can, even though he's using addiction. So, but he is, he does need this time apart. You guys had an estrangement. I said you weren't in communication. This connection needs space, right? I feel bound in spiritual chains to my karmic partner. There's some dark shit going on. Alright, so we had the world in the beginning. We had the Seven of Swords. So it could also be that the karmic partner has some Seven of Swords energy going on. But there's karma here that's not complete yet, even though the world was there. So, there's still something he has to sort out with that karmic, okay? Alright. Got an elephant, got a butterfly, transformation, we got a key. Okay, elephants could be significant to you in your connection, butterfly, transformation, fly away, gentle, fragile, and then we've got a key. So, I feel this is him trying to unlock those like hidden emotions, okay? Also, you finding the key to what helps you in this connection, alright? Alright, guys, so that is my reading. I hope you guys can hear me clearly, even with the storm weather in the back. I love it, though. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.